Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And in the previous one, we have seen how we can pass the strings, integers, and few special data source. Let's see what next. Uh, okay, so in this particular series, test cases, let me comment other one. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are passing the date. Okay, and we are doing conversion. See, I'm passing some date here. Okay, and what I'm doing here, so these are like string only, okay, but we know that this is date, so this should not be treated as a string because we want to do some calculation based on the date. So what I'm doing here, I am adding this particular conversion. I'm doing explicit conversion using this particular tag. So Java time conversion pattern, and pattern I have given here. So this is ddmmyyy. Okay, so I'm converting the argument as per the uh, my pattern. Okay, so whatever written here, you need to give the pattern. You can change it according to your need. But now this will not be treated as a string. It will be converted using this annotation, and it will be converted into the local date object. So now we are receiving the dates. So what we can do with the dates? So I'm printing here dates, and you can do some calculation on the date. Like what I'm doing, argument.getYear. So I'm fetching the year. Okay, with string it's not possible. You need to split and you need to do a lot of things. But here, the benefit of conversion is that you can convert any string which is in date format, and you can fetch year, month, date, and you can do a lot of calculations. Okay, so let me show you another test case. Uh, okay, so now this is a case of implicit conversion. What I'm doing here, we have mentioned explicitly that, okay, this is a time conversion. Okay, but in this case, I am not specifying anything. Directly, I have written some string here, and I'm directly fetching the chrono unit. Okay, chrono unit is actually getting used with the time. You can see Java time temporal chrono unit. Okay, so this is a time unit, and what I am saying here, that it will automatically implicitly convert this string into the time. Okay, so here it is written seconds. So seconds will come here. It will be automatically converted into the seconds, and then I'm fetching just assert not null, and I'm just fetching the name from this argument. And there are a lot of operations you can do on based on the time. Okay, so let me run these two test cases, then we'll go to the with the third one. So this is the second test case. I'm fetching the seconds value, and in the first one you can see that I am printing the dates, and here assertion has also been passed, that I am asserting that assert equals uh, the get year is 2021. So from here I'm fetching it, the year. Right, so let's jump to the uh, third test case, this one. Similarly, I am implicitly converting boolean out of string. So here what we have done in this one, we have converted automatically time conversion from in this test case, and in this test case we are automatically converting boolean. Okay, so JUnit 5 is smart enough to understand that this is a string, but uh, I want to convert it into a boolean. So you can pass here a true and false, and it will automatically will be converted into boolean. So here Boolean argument will come. So if true, we are passing true. So true will come here, and we are just printing it. So you can pass number of Boolean from the parameterized test. So we are running the Boolean test case, and you can see Boolean is true has been printed here, and test case has been passed. Fine, friends. So in this particular chapter, we have learned that how we can automatically or explicitly convert a time. So you can pass time as well. In the parameter, you can pass some time, and you can pass Boolean as well. So three different kind of argument you can also pass. In the previous one, we have seen we can simply pass a string integers, null, empty, and this is a second set of argument which you can pass. In the next video, we'll see how we can pass the data from the CSV and the enums. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Keep learning. Bye bye.